Hey guys! Anything that helps you get a better night's sleep or a more peaceful day is worth looking into. I'm going to show you a white noise machine designed to provide you sounder sleep and a more tranquil day. This is the SZTROKIA white noise machine, also known as a sound machine. This is designed to enhance sleep and great for nighttime or for naps. And what's great about this is it offers a USB charging outlet so that you can charge your phone or another device while this is playing. It's very convenient. There are 10 high fidelity natural sounds, and I'll play those for you in just a minute. There are 2 white noise sounds, 2 fan sounds, 2 ocean sounds, thunder, storm, sleep ambience, and summer night. And there's also an adjustable volume control for any of these sounds, and it's right here. Some of the benefits of this product are that it's very lightweight, so that makes it really good for traveling. And then it also has a timer. When you press the power button, you can select between 15, 30, and 60 minutes, or even just play continuously. So here's a closer look at the machine. As you can tell, it's very small, very thin, and all you have to do is close it, and there you go. Travel. So I'm going to sample the different sounds on the machine. Here's the power button right here. Right now it's on continuous sound. There's no timer added. If you were to switch between 15, 30, and 60, there's a light green light that shows up and it'll tell you when it's selected, and that's off. We're going to do continuous. So here are the 2 white noises. Here are the 2 fan sounds. Here are the 2 ocean sounds. Here's thunder and storm. And here's sleep ambience and summer night. Here's the adjustable volume control for any sound. So if you work in a noisy environment or live with noisy roommates, the white noise is a great way to mask it all. Unwanted sounds that are disturbing and prevent you from concentrating would be covered up by this and help you concentrate and even help you sleep. The sounds are actually also great for meditation or yoga. It's also really hard to concentrate when you have all those sounds, and this is a great way to ease that. I live in a dorm, and sometimes my roommates like to watch TV or, play loud music if I'm trying to go to sleep or I'm trying to study. So I need this to help mask this so I can study or sleep. This is definitely a must-have for anyone that has a child and that they need to take naps. It's even good for grown-ups when they want to take naps as well, like I do. I really like the modern look of this machine. It's a lot smaller and better than a lot of the machines I've used and seen. A lot of them are circular and they're big and they're round, and this one is nice. It has a stand that you can sit it up on, and it's attractive looking. So this is the box that it comes in. And it comes with the sleep machine user manual as well. So that's the SZTROKIA white noise machine. Thanks for watching.